Good evening, my friend. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about walking, asking for directions, and being lost. Yes, you guessed it. It happened in the city. It was Sunday morning. The sky was blue. Birds were singing. I felt happy. So I decided, today I will explore the city. I will be an adventurer. I grabbed my phone, my headphones, and a small bottle of water. Then I left home. I walked to the bus stop. The bus arrived. I got in. I felt cool, like a traveler, like a free soul. After 30 minutes, the bus stopped. The driver shouted, "Last stop." So I got off. I looked around. Tall buildings, busy streets, people walking fast. The city was alive. I opened Google Maps, but my phone battery was low, only 10%. I thought, no problem. I just need to find the park. So I walked. Left, right, straight. I walked more, but no park. Only shops, cafes, and traffic. After 20 minutes, I checked my phone again. Battery, 5%. Oh no. My heart started beating fast. What if the phone dies? What if I cannot find the park? I walked faster. Left, right, left again. Still no park. I saw a bakery. The smell was delicious. But I had no time. I had to find the park. Then I saw an old man reading a newspaper. He looked kind. I decided to ask, "Excuse me, where is the Central Park?" The man looked at me. He smiled. "The park? It is not far. Walk straight, then turn left. You will see it." I felt happy. "Thank you so much." The old man waved and went back to reading. I followed his directions, walked straight, turned left, but still no park. Only more shops and cars. I started doubting. Did I make a mistake? Did I turn too early or too late? I checked the phone again. Battery, 2%. My hands started shaking. I whispered softly, "Please, not now." The phone screen turned dark. Dead. I stood in the street, holding my dead phone. Cars passed quickly. People walked fast. Everyone looked busy. I felt small. I felt lost. Should I ask someone? I looked around. Then I saw a little girl holding an ice cream. She looked friendly. I walked closer. "Hello, excuse me. Do you know where the park is?" The girl pointed without speaking. She pointed to a street. I smiled. "Thank you." The girl giggled and ran away. So I walked that way. I hoped the park was near. Step by step, I felt more nervous. I passed a cafe. I passed a bookstore. I passed a flower shop. But no park. My legs felt heavy. My stomach growled. I was hungry. I sat down on the sidewalk. I said to myself, maybe I should just go home. But I had no map, no battery, no plan. I sighed. Then suddenly I heard barking. A dog ran past me. I had a crazy idea. Maybe the dog knows the way to the park. So I followed the dog. The dog walked fast. I followed, almost running. People stared at me. Maybe they thought, why is this guy chasing a dog? But I didn't care. I just wanted the park. The dog turned left, then right, then straight. I ran behind it. My legs hurt. My breath was heavy. Suddenly, the dog stopped. It turned around and looked at me. Then it sat down. I looked around. Guess where we were? Not the park. We were at a butcher shop. The dog wagged its tail happily. It wanted meat, not the park. I sighed again. I felt foolish. I said, never trust a dog to guide you. I walked away. Random streets. Left, right, straight. No map, no phone, no idea. But then, miracle. I saw green trees. I heard children laughing. I saw people jogging. Yes, the park, I shouted. Finally, I entered the park. I sat on a bench. I drank water. I breathed deeply. I felt alive again. But then I realized I had no idea how to go home. My phone was still dead. I was tired and hungry. I asked myself, what now? I looked around. I saw a hot dog stand. I walked there. I bought one hot dog. I ate it. It was delicious. My energy came back. Then I asked the hot dog man, "Excuse me, how do I go back to the bus stop?" He smiled. He said, "Easy. Walk straight, then turn left. The bus stop is right there." I almost cried with happiness. So I walked straight. I turned left. And yes, the bus stop. I saw the bus. I ran. I shouted, "Wait." The driver stopped. I got in. I sat down. I felt safe again. On the bus, I laughed. I thought, what a crazy day. Lost, chasing dogs, eating hot dogs. But I was okay. I was alive. And I had a story. When I reached home, I plugged in my phone. The battery came back. The map showed my route. It was funny. I had walked in circles. Again and again. So, lesson of the day. Always charge your phone. Always know your way. And never trust a dog to guide you in the city.